Whoa! Did you see that? My cupcake didn't float up to the ceiling, it went straight down. But why? Why doesn't everything just float away like a balloon? Gravity is like the universe's invisible glue. It's a force that pulls everything toward everything else. Every single thing that has stuff in it, we call that mass, has gravity. Quick! Everyone stand up. On the count of 3, I want you to jump as high as you can. 1, 2, 3, jump! Think of space like a giant trampoline. Big objects bend the fabric of the universe, and that is what we call gravity. On the moon, gravity is weak. You'd be a superstar athlete without even trying. But on Jupiter, gravity is so strong. I feel like I weigh 1,000 tons. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and stay grounded. See you next time on STEM Orbit.